Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you valuable insights and tips to help you succeed in your academic journey. As we know, pursuing research can be financially challenging, but with the right strategies, you can navigate these hurdles successfully. So, let's dive in. In today's video, we will be exploring effective strategies to manage your finances while conducting research. Whether you are a graduate student or an aspiring researcher, this guide will provide you with valuable insights to help you overcome financial obstacles along the way. The first step in managing your finances for research work is creating a budget. By tracking your income and expenses, you'll gain a clear understanding of your financial situation. Start by listing all your income sources, such as stipends, scholarships, or part-time jobs. Then, track your expenses, including housing, utilities, transportation, groceries, and other essentials. Once you have a comprehensive view of your finances, you can identify areas where you can cut back and save money. Look for opportunities to reduce expenses, such as cooking at home instead of eating out, using public transportation, or opting for affordable housing options. Remember, every small saving adds up over time and can significantly impact your financial stability. Apart from personal budgeting, explore various grant and funding opportunities available for research students. Universities, government agencies, and private organizations often provide grants and scholarships specifically designed for researchers. Research and apply for these opportunities that align with your field of study. Additionally, consider joining research assistantships or teaching assistantships, as they offer financial support and valuable experience. Another effective way to manage your finances is by exploring part-time jobs or side hustles. Many universities offer on-campus jobs tailored for students, such as lab assistants, tutors, or administrative roles. These jobs not only provide financial support but also allow you to gain relevant skills and experience. Additionally, consider utilizing your research skills to provide freelance services or consulting in your field. Many researchers offer their expertise for projects or collaborate with industry professionals. These side hustles not only bring in extra income but also expand your professional network and enhance your research profile. For many research students, student loans are a reality. It's important to understand the terms of your loans and develop a repayment strategy. Explore options such as income-driven repayment plans or loan forgiveness programs, depending on your circumstances. Always stay informed about your loan status and make timely repayments to avoid additional interest or penalties. Remember, you don't have to navigate the financial challenges alone. Seek advice and support from your university's financial aid office or career counseling center. They can provide guidance on financial management, available resources, and additional funding opportunities specifically for research students. Managing finances while pursuing research work may seem overwhelming, but with careful planning and resourcefulness, you can maintain financial stability throughout your academic journey. By creating a budget, exploring grant and funding opportunities, considering part-time jobs or side hustles, managing student loans, and seeking advice and support, you can effectively manage your finances as a research student. Today, we have an important topic to discuss: how to manage finance for your research work, a finance guide for research students. In Pakistan, there are several funding agencies and organizations that provide support to research students. Here are some of them. Higher Education Commission, HEC. HEC is the primary funding agency for research in Pakistan. They offer a range of scholarships and grants, including Indigenous PhD Fellowships, National Research Program for Universities, NRPU, and Technology Development Fund, TDF. Pakistan Science Foundation, PSF. PSF provides funding for research projects in natural and social sciences. National ICT R&D Fund. This fund supports research and development activities in the field of information and communication technologies. International Center for Chemical and Biological Sciences, ICCBS. ICCBS, located at the University of Karachi, offers research funding and fellowships in the field of chemical and biological sciences. National University of Sciences and Technology, NUST. NUST provides various research funding opportunities for its students through internal grants, research centers, and collaborations with external agencies. Pakistan Agricultural Research Council, PARC. PARC supports research in agricultural sciences and offers funding opportunities for students and researchers in this field. Punjab Higher Education Commission, PHEC. PHEC provides research funding and scholarships for students enrolled in universities and research institutions in the Punjab province of Pakistan. Sindh Higher Education Commission, SHEC. SHEC offers research grants and scholarships for students pursuing research in universities and institutions in the Sindh province. The Dawood Foundation. This foundation supports research and innovation projects in various fields, including science and technology, education, and healthcare. The Pakistan Academy of Sciences. The Academy promotes scientific research and offers research grants, scholarships, and awards for students and scientists in Pakistan. In the United States, there are several funding agencies and organizations that provide support to research students. Here are some prominent ones. National Science Foundation, NSF. The NSF offers a wide range of funding opportunities. National Institutes of Health, NIH. The NIH is the primary federal agency for medical and health-related research. They offer research grants, fellowships, and training programs for students pursuing research in biomedical sciences. National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA. NASA provides research funding and fellowships for students interested in aerospace, astrophysics, and related fields. Department of Defense, DoD. The DoD offers research funding for students in areas such as engineering, computer science, social sciences, and applied sciences through various programs. National Endowment for the Humanities, NEH. The NEH provides funding for research projects in the humanities, including history, literature, philosophy, and cultural studies. National Endowment for the Arts, NEA. The NEA offers grants for research and artistic projects in various disciplines of the arts. Environmental Protection Agency, EPA. The EPA provides research funding for students focusing on environmental sciences, engineering, and policy. Fulbright Program. The Fulbright Program offers grants for international students, including research students, to pursue their studies and research in the United States. The Ford Foundation. The Ford Foundation offers fellowships for research students focusing on social justice, diversity, and equity in various fields. Google Research Scholarships. Google provides research scholarships for students pursuing research in computer science and related areas. The Howard Hughes Medical Institute, HHMI. HHMI offers research fellowships and grants for students in the life sciences, particularly in biomedical research. The American Heart Association, AHA. AHA provides research funding, fellowships, and grants for students interested in cardiovascular research. The American Cancer Society, ACS. ACS offers research grants, fellowships, and scholarships for students pursuing cancer research.